Mr. Slaw. What, buddy? What? No, you can't bite me. No, you can't bite me. No, you can't taste. Mr. Slaw is growing nicely. He has now exceeded the size of his lady friend who's pooping on camera, and he is dwarfing this fellow here who's 6 months older than him. It is rainy. It is muddy. I put a complete trailer load, an enclosed trailer load full of leaves into this pen not so long ago. Leaves look like that. They were knee high. They're just gone. It's completely been turned into a black soil. So I got a load of wood chips dropped off that the dogs are sitting on. I'm sure that that batch is fermenting and putting off some heat. That's why dogs will always climb up on a wood pile. Here's our newest dog. That's Doc, because his tail's docked. So there's only 3 of them here, but we've got 4 thrown away stray homeless dogs. They have turned into quite a good pack. They're very obedient. They very submissive. They dive at my feet. They follow me day in and day out. If they could speak English, they'd do every word I say. The only issue we have is what's lost in translation. I don't speak dog and they don't speak human. But they're fantastic. No problems. Everything is going good. Packing some wood chips in there for them to continue making soil, and I've just decided that this is always going to be my topsoil factory. I'll rotate the pigs in and out to do maintenance or dig dirt out of here, push wood chips and leaves and so forth in here, but this is the engine of my garden soil. It's a symbiotic relationship where the pigs do the labor to aerate, make sure that we don't go anaerobic. They fertilize. You know, I've got all this carbon mass. The carbon keeps them from swimming in a mud pit. And the manure, urine, and feces provides the nitrogen so that the carbon doesn't just sit there. So it breaks down pretty quick. That's beans right there is my sow. She's eating that fermented ensiled forage sorghum. So all good.